In this video, we will be seeing for loop of Java. So how to use for loop, which is one of the looping statements or looping uh, block. So where we will be continuously executing the same statements again and again repeatedly. So for loop in Java is one of the looping statements, and how to use it, let's see it in this video. So for loop, or first let's see what is looping. So looping is nothing but looping is executing of same statement or statements repeatedly. And how this happens is based on a condition. So looping is executing of same statement repeatedly till condition satisfies. So till condition satisfies, we will be executing the same statement again and again. So we also call it, it's also called iteration. So this process of executing the statement, same statement again and again is also called iteration in Java. And the syntax for using it is, syntax for using it is for keyword followed by for keyword followed by initialization. It will contain three expressions. Initialization as first expression, second expression will be the condition, third expression will be the increment or decrement part, and followed by the block of statements for. So you can see the expression 1 is initialization, expression 2 is condition, expression 3 is increment or decrement part, and all these three expressions are separated using a semicolon. So using this semicolon, we will be separating these three expressions. So in this, in case of for loop, when I write a single statement which is going to print hi here, now this is how so here I have written the statement, but generally you can write single or set of statements. So let's see it practically how it works. So there is already a program where we have used switch case. So I am removing this data. Now int I am taking as variable. So I will be taking for loop here. You can also declare it directly here. I equal to 0, I am giving as initial value. I less than 5, I am giving as the condition. I plus plus, I am giving as the increment part. Now, if I write the system.out.println statement, which prints hi on the output screen here, then if I execute this, I will be getting hi printed on screen 5 times because we are starting from 0 and we are printing it till I is less than 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you want to print I value, then that also you can do if I write like this. So I value will be printed followed by hi. So you will be getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and hi every time. So 5 values. So this is how for loop works. In this, what happens? First initialization takes place. That is, I variable will be given the initial value, that is 0. Then it will be checking the condition if 0 is less than 5. If the condition is true, then this block of code is executed, which prints I value as 0 for the first time, followed by hi. And then it will again increment the 0 value to 1, and 1 is checked, 1 is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, then again block is executed and it prints 1 and hi. Similarly till 4 it prints, and When it is 5, which is less than 5, it is not giving you true condition, it stops. So when it is 5, 5 less than 5 will give you false, and that's why the condition is false, because and thus the block will not get executed. So this way for loop works in Java. Initialization happens, condition checking happens, and then the execution of block, and then every time incrementing of value after block is executed. But initialization happens only for the first time. So more topics on for loop we will be seeing in coming videos, and for more updates on Java topics and other computer programming languages, please do subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the video.